Hey everybody, so we finally finished it up. All the changes I wanted to make for Mesh are done. I have I'm in the animation timing uh, branch, so who knows how long I've been bumping around in this branch. Believe I'm all pushed up. Let me see, get status. No, get push. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to merge it into the main branch. Let's see, so let's just go to GitHub. And then, um, man, it's been a while. Showtime, there it is. Showtime. And then, let's see, I have 21 branches. Man, I didn't realize I had so many. And then this one was called animation timing. There we go. So merging it's pretty easy. Let's see if there's a your branch is ahead of 166 and one commit behind. Oh, okay. So I actually had made a change in the main branch at some point. I guess I should probably merge that in there. So what I'm going to do is go back down to here, and let's just go ahead since we're doing it. This I say git checkout main, and then I'm going to say git merge main dash no dash fast forward. Um, I always like to do the no fast forward. So what's this? Oh, oh git pull. Skipped a. So I had made a change in the app component apparently. So git now checking out is usually a little bit easier to do here just because it has the order. And now git. Now the same call. I like to do no fast forward because then you can tell when a commit was merged in, when a branch was merged in, um, which is harder. Merge made by the ORT strategy, ORT strategy. I've never noticed that before. But anyways, now let's go ahead and git push. Now when we come over here, we should be like, yeah. So it's at doing that. I'm gonna hit refresh on this. So hopefully I get that compare. Yeah. So now I'm good. 167 commits ahead. It's kind of a bummer that I let it go that long. Um, so I'm going to try to be a little bit more disciplined here in the future. Um, but it's always good to kind of just look over all the files. I mean, this is just an enormous um, build. It looks like I actually have an upgrade as well in here. Looks like I went from 17 to 18. Man, I really went off the rails. Uh, so that's probably why there's so many files different. So I'm going to try to do. So these JSON. Okay, so these are all these JSONs that had um, the um, fonts in them. So it makes a lot of sense to um, ignore those because they're just files that we imported from other places. Um, is app toolbox. Man, I feel like yeah, this is really crazy. Maybe it's everything ever. I don't know. Maybe I'm making some kind of huge mistake here, but it looks like the entire application is new. So maybe I've just been misbehaving since the beginning. So it says it's able to merge. I'm going to say create a pull request. Since I'm the only person working on this, I will approve my pull request. Let's see. Yeah, so I started 6 months ago, apparently, um, making changes, and this is my first merge back. Um, all right, so Let's see, pull requests. Okay, so there it is. And let's see. Was I not supposed to do that? So yeah, I'm going to select my pull request. And maybe I just have to scroll all the way to the bottom of this. Yeah. So this is where I can merge it. It's basically the whole application. It's or 6 months worth of stuff. I just cannot. It just doesn't make sense to review all of this stuff at this point. Um, this is outrageous. Of the outrageous thing I've done to myself. Um, so I'm just gonna merge it and hope for the best. Next, from here on out, though, I'm going to be a lot more disciplined about this. Um, what did I write? Squash and merge. I definitely don't want to squash and merge. Squash and merge would take all of those commits and smush them into one commit. Do not want that. I definitely want my merges in the history there. So I'm going to merge this pull request. And I do not have any comments. And then I'm going to go back into my main, get checkout main. I'm going to pull that so we can get it all up to the latest, and then npm start, and hope that nothing really strange happens. Sometimes really weird stuff can happen when you do this. Oh, my port is already in use, so no. Let's go ahead and kill this. Start. Let's see. Let's go ahead and I guess we'll go here and then localhost 4200. Yeah, everything seems to be fine. So that's where we're at. I'm going to, let's go ahead and create the next. So the next task is to take these two interfaces and perspective camera interface and orthographic camera interface, and just have a camera interface and basically fix all the stuff. Let's see, orthographic camera. Yeah, so then I won't need this supported camera items anymore. That's the hope to do that. Originally I thought it was a good idea to have these sort of separated, but I did not do that for the meshes or the lights, and that I think worked out better. There's some overlap, far and near. This one has left and right, top and bottom, which the other one doesn't. I think they both have a look at. They have an X, Y, and Z position. Yeah, so the vast majority of things don't care, and I think type will probably keep type and just make it where it could be a orthographic or a perspective camera. So I'm going to create a new branch. The easiest way to do that is say git checkout -b. It just saves some steps. You can just say git branch and the name of the new branch. I find this to be a little bit easier. And I'm just going to say camera interface unification. And that's where we're at. And so tomorrow I'll combine these, probably try to combine these two and just see if I can, and get rid of these two, just have a camera interface and see if I can fix it just via like the TypeScript compiler, just going to things and fixing it. Hopefully I can do that. And hopefully it ends up just being a 1 or 2 day process. And then we'll move on to lights. Anyways, happy coding, everybody. Bye.